Okay, it's recording.
I'm gonna close this.
Okay, so first thing we need to do, we need to make sure users are registered in the training and the certification. So we're going to do a the learning assignment tool. So if you go to admin and learning assignment tool, and then create assignment. Do you know how to do these? Have you done these before?
I haven't created the assignment, no.
Okay, so let's go ahead and name this. What's the program that we're going to work on first?
Let's do the loader training.
Okay, so you go ahead and put that, just the assignment title, type something in. This is only for your personal reference.
Okay.
And then go to select training, click the select training button, and then we're going to find the two pieces of training. So if you just search for a keyword up in the like loader, or if that's in both the titles, loader should be sufficient.
There's the exam and the training.
Yeah, so go ahead and select both of those. And then hit select. And then click next to go to the next page. Then click assign, approved, and registered at the very top. And then you can go to the next page. And we want this to go out right now, so we'll go ahead and click next page again.
Okay.
And then we want to select the users that are going to be enrolled. And so if you click the select users button, you should be able to select the plant location by going to the user drop down on the left and selecting plant location. Then you can enter your plant location in the top.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Just do AP Cadillac.
You can just do Cadillac.
Okay.
And then apply filters. Oh, there you go. That works too.
I'll soon check the box here.
Yeah.
Hit select.
Yep.
Okay.
And then let's scroll down and click that generate initial user list. And then you can scroll down and make sure all your users are in there. And you can uncheck any users that you do not want to receive the assignment.
Should be good now.
Okay. And then just click submit.
You're about to submit assignment, 18 users, 3 months.
Okay, so the next step, right now this is in a queued status. If you see, once it has processed, then the users will be in a registered status for that training. So the next thing we want to do is we want to make the material item into an on-the-job training, so you'll be able to mark it complete.
Okay.
So we'll head over to admin and catalog. And then we'll open up the loader material. It's going to be under material.
Oh, material.
Yep. And edit loader.
It should be at the
And
bottom.
scroll all the way down and check on the job training, requires on the job training. And then we want to select observers by OU, and then select yourself.
So just do user and then look my name up.
Mm-hmm. And then click next. And next again. And save. Okay, so now let's go to admin, and I'm not sure if this is going to be there yet, but we'll go all the way to the bottom to the on the job training observers. And we'll scroll down. Yeah, it's not there yet. So click the search button and see if anything comes up.
Yeah, we put the title in.
No, it should show up without having to put a search criteria in.
Oh, okay.
Let's go ahead and move to the, let's go back to the learning assignment tool and see if everything's processed. Yeah, click learning assignment tool, and then we'll look at the status, and it's still queued. So that tells us that the training still hasn't processed. So that's part of the reason why it's not showing up in that list.
Okay.
And we'll have to have this show process before we can mark the exams complete. But if you recall that spreadsheet that we created earlier, that has the email address or user ID, the completed column, the score, and the date.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have to do that for each one of these, and that's how we will mark the test complete.
Now, can I use the same spreadsheet?
Yeah, you can use the same one, and if it's going to be the same users, you can of course use the same one. The only thing that I caution you on is if you open it, sometimes the date changes back to the original format, and it needs to be a 2-digit, 2-digit, 4-digit format. So you might have to reformat the date.
Okay, so we'll check the formatting then. Format cells, date.
You go down to custom.
Oh, you want custom? Okay.
And then where it has the semicolon and the ampersand, we'll just do the YY and then OK. And then we'll want to copy that into the others.
Okay.
So all the users the same?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to the LMS and see if that has processed yet. If you refresh, it should update the page. Okay,
Yep.
it's processed. So let's go back to admin and on the job training observers. And scroll down, and let's click on the select all, and then that bulk record button on the top, we'll click that. And all we have to do on this page is click the completed. If you want a specific date you want to show completed on this, then you can change the date there as well.
Oops. Or actually, what date did you put on the other one?
I think I did. You know, I think I might have done today's date. Sorry.
No, it's okay. That's fine. We can just have it be today's date. I apologize for my phone ringing there.
That's okay.
203. Okay.
And then just click record. So this is updating the users to a completed status in that material. So if in the future you want users to be able to mark themselves complete once they view content, then we need to remove that on the job training requirement.
Okay.
So all you have to do for that is go back to material and uncheck the on the job training box.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want them to be able to just choose that they completed. I want them to actually go through the course and complete it.
Okay.
So uncheck this.
Yep.
And then save.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we want to give credit for the test. Well, let's do one thing first. If you go to admin and certification management, I just want to make sure that users receive credit for that. And just type in loader for certification title and it should come up. And then click the blue and green icon.
Which one?
The blue
one?
and green, yeah, view users. And then click the checkbox of any of those. Yeah. Okay, so they are showing an incompleted status, so that's good. Now I'll mark the exam complete. Do you remember that process?
It was tools.
Yep.
Learning.
Mm-hmm.
Training tools. Update tools. And then I just got to search it, right?
No, we want to add
Well,
the
add it.
update.
That's right. That's right. Test.
You're a quick learner on this. I like that.
Loader exam. And then this is where we'd upload that Excel spreadsheet, correct?
Mm-hmm.
It says Dozer, but.
We'll check to see if there's any errors. Yeah, looks good.
Okay. Next.
Mm-hmm. and then submit.
Okay.
And so once that, you see that's a queued status. Once it's in a process status, then the certification should update to certified.
Okay.
And that's pretty much the process.
Okay.
Pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
You think you got it, or do you
Yeah.
need
Yeah.
more help?
I think I'm good.
Okay. Yeah. I'll load this recording, and it might be probably a half hour because it has to process the recording